It is an academic tradition for a representative of the graduating class to speak on behalf of the graduates, reflecting on their experiences as students and the future journey on which they are about to embark. It is now my pleasure to introduce your valedictorian, Syeda Khadija. Syeda is a graduate of the Community Worker Outreach and Development Diploma Program. She excelled both academically at Sheridan and at her field placement, where she worked with refugees and newcomers to Canada by facilitating weekly workshops, events, and field trips. Syeda approaches her work with empathy and passion, and she provides emotional and academic support for young women at the Rexdale Women's Centre as a peer mentor. She looks forward to demonstrating her leadership skills, attending community events, and providing further education through public speaking. Please welcome Syeda Khadija.
Oh. Good afternoon, Chancellor McCallion, Vice Chancellor Dr. Morrison, Board of Governor Member, faculty, and staff of Sheridan College. Honored guests, family, and friends, and of course, my beautiful, outstanding talents of the class 2019. We made it. This is our time. Every ending is always a new beginning. When one thing ends, the new one begins, presenting a new opportunity. Before we close this chapter in our lives and starts next one, it is important to thank all of the people that have been there for us along this journey. To all of our families, professors, and administrators, we say that if we had a cent for every time we appreciated your help, we would be millionaires. We thank our parents, hello mom, grandparents, and relatives, except those who did not give us any graduation money. Yeah. As well as loyal friends, apart from those to whom we owe money, and administrators who were constantly borrowing money. Yeah. This place will always hold an exceptional place in my heart. For here, we endured, enjoyed, engaged, and have together emerged victorious. I cannot believe that the time has finally come for those of us on the last day of college to say our goodbyes. I'm both proud and humbled to be here tonight in the company of many talented and inspiring individuals. The journey has been long 4 semesters and short 2 years. So long due to the drama of group assignments, early morning classes, many readings, and other minute pratfall that hit us in college. Nobody likes the pressure associated with exam, reading, and obligation to leave your sweet morning sleep for early morning classes, right? Yeah. And while the journey at times seems long, this period has also short, considering lifelong relationship, lasting memories, an amazing thing that we have learned between the intermittent bits of drudgery. But over the last 2 years, Sheridan College has brought the best out of all of us. The class of 2019 is incredibly strong. We were strong when we came together to support our faculty during the strike. We were strong when we had our photo voice on student strike back, as our voice still echoes in SSU notice board. And we were strong when we organized and engaged in the community forum for hiring a new police chief. We shared proud moments when we debated our voice in the Peel Police Board meeting on racial profiling. That brought out the best of every individual classmate. We have found in each other an incredible amount of support. Sheridan College helped to build our strength. And when we don't feel strong, Sheridan has taught us it's okay to be vulnerable. Emotion demonstrates strength, not weakness. Our college experience has brought this little group together in a way that only we can understand. While different objectives have brought us all here together to enjoy this tremendous phase of our life. We do have something in common. Well, I don't mean physical characteristic, tall, short, lean, fat, no. But we definitely have some good laughs over the year. And in equal measure, we have faced challenges and trying experiences along the way. Years from today, when we stumble on that one box full of memories, reminiscence in the basement, I believe our heart will be touched by the cordial feeling of fondness and affection. We found here the prestigious memories that we have made along the way. I know all that we did here, big or small, will forever be a part of us. All of the friends we have made honking at each other in the driveways to get going. The book we lost, coffee that kept us going, late night discussion just to understand the concepts. Yeah, parting to ease us from the exams pressure, and all the little absurd episodes of our time here will be missed. And trust me, you are going to want this back and wish that it hadn't gone by so fast. We always remember those days when we think that we passed. Sometimes we think that we had totally bombed. Neither my professor nor I know what happened, but matter is my GPA survived. Yeah. The care packages from our families, the long weekends when there were no classes on Fridays, those classes where the professor would say there was an extension on an assignment. Yeah, these even may seem small, but they meant a lot to us. And they made college life more bearable and exciting at the same time. We're the class of 2019, are a powerhouse of creativity and innovation. We will stretch the boundaries to better the world in big and small ways. We have all that it takes to change the world. Let it embrace this new phase of life with positivity and optimism. And just like the butterfly, we will fly into our new phase. Congratulations, graduates of 2019.
Thank you so much, Syeda. Congratulations and best wishes on all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.